So today we have got the beautiful 911 Carrera 4S in racing yellow, beautiful yellow color. New mini GT packaging looks beautiful, especially with these colorful cars like blue, yellow, etc. And then the box is pretty much similar to other boxes, ages 14 plus, and it's a licensed car, so we can see the hologram, very nice. It's an official licensed product. And over here we've got the mini GT branding, and over here it's pretty much blank. It would have been nice to see a logo of the manufacturer, but anyway, let's get down to the unboxing. So this is the car, and wow, I mean, the moment you take it out of the box, what will really strike you is that beautiful yellow color, because the car has been very thoughtfully made with black and tinted out windows. So the black and yellow combination, which is one of the most classic color combinations of all times, it really pops the moment you open it. Taking it out of the blister is a little difficult. It's got this slight curve which really helps with the overall protection, because if you look at this, you just see how sleek the car is. I mean, I think this angle is a perfect angle to view it. Wow, it's just 95% of the car is inside the bottom part of the blister, and the top is just for the roof. That silhouette, it looks so nice. So now we come on to the details of the car. We maybe start from the bottom once again. Mini GT, very average detailing of the bottom, not the nicest, but anyway. Now we come on to the front. So see, the thing with the front is that they have made this casting earlier in a silver color, so we all know that the front detailing, everyone was supposing it will be nice, and it is nice, because as we can see, the headlights are on point, and they have been given that smoked kind of effect which is throughout present in this car to maintain that black and yellow look. Or you just see this is a tinted windshield. Then the wheels, they are black, so the wheels are actually beautiful on this one. You see the wheels, they are so well made, and they actually have got the logo of the manufacturer on the center. So I think that's a very nice and small detail to have, and some mini GT cars which did not have it, they felt a little lacking, but this one just feels complete. So that side profile is just perfect, even from the front, as we were talking. It's a great front to look at. There is not much to complain about. The logo is clear, visible. Overall paint quality is certainly outstanding, and then I mean, yeah, it's just a lovely car to look at. So I mean, just look at this angle. If you see this angle, it's such a great angle to be viewing this car from. Now we come on to the rear, and if we talk about the rear of this car is extremely well detailed. I mean, see the tail lamps, the classic tail lamps, they are very well replicated. The whole part has been done very well. Then we've got the logo, and not exactly the logo, I mean the badging, and the badging is very clear, and you can read the company's name, you can read the name of the car, you can read it very clearly. And then we come on to the exhausts, and the exhausts are so well replicated. They've got the chrome tips, and you can see them very clearly, which is not very popular in cars of this size. I mean, you generally do not get to see that the exhaust is very clearly visible. So overall, I mean, if we look at this car from all the angles, it just feels like it's a complete package. And I mean, from the side it looks great, from the rear it looks great, from the front obviously it's one of the best mini GTs ever, and the color is a very welcome addition to the lineup. So I mean, I'm very impressed with it, and if you're considering, then I think this video should help you. And You can go for it. You should go for it because yellow 911, I think everyone would like to have one of those. It's such a classic color and a classic car. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps, and let me know if you have any thoughts about this car. Thank you.